So we're at Toyota, got the new key, and I guess we're gonna go find out if it still works, or if the car starts, or whatever. I hate talking on video. Alright, at the car. Guess we're just gonna see if this works. It's not even hooked up. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. All right. This is the first time getting in the car. Oh my god, it's brand new. Toyota 86. Nice. Well, let's try this new key. Starts right up. Automatic. See if it shifts. Woo! Okay. Good. Now I just have to go get some jumper cables and get my piece of crap truck started up and grab the trailer and bring it to the body shop. Pain in my butt. I think the battery terminals were corroded, so it hasn't been charging fully. So for some reason in -15 it won't even start. So got bigger jumper cables, clean the terminals, and I'm gonna try this out. Alright, one final time. Wow. Wow. Okay, yeah, great. Lovely. Well, that was a friggin' ordeal. I guess now we can go get the trailer and grab the car. Woo! Smoky boy. Car loaded on the trailer. It was brutal because it's so freaking cold out, and it's got summer tires on it, and I couldn't move in the parking lot. I basically had to back it downhill and take a run at the trailer, but it's on there. Now we're gonna go deliver it. All right, dropped off the car. You'll probably work on that in a few days. Now I'm gonna put the diff flange on the new drive shaft and throw the drive shaft in the car. Nice. Got everything done. Here's the bottom of the car. And now, because I'm using the 350Z diff axles hubs in the BRZ, and the BRZ speedometer uses the rear speed sensors, I have to, well, I guess because I couldn't use the factory speed sensors anymore, I'm going to have to rewire my ABS module so that the rear sensors signal goes from the front and the front signal goes from the rear. So basically, my front tires will power my speedometer instead of my rear wheels. I'm not going to show how to do this because honestly I don't really know how to do this, so it's probably going to take me quite a few hours. Alright.
Hey, you suck.
After hours of messing around with the ABS module, that thing, I had to rewire it. I now have my speedometer reading off of the front wheels. And that makes up for the lack of the sensors in the back. Car is pretty much done. Got the drive shaft in, got the exhaust back on. Had to cut a little chunk off the diff to fit the exhaust around, but it was not a necessary piece. What else? All that's really left is torque the wheels and align it, see if the drive shaft vibrates, take her on a test drive. And I'm probably going to lift the back up a little bit because it's pretty thick looking. Goodness. Well, that's that for this video. So, yeah.